Hey besties, I literally just got ready for the day. I actually have quite the to-do list today, so I thought you guys could come along with me. We'll have a nice little spring reset and it'll feel so good. I'll put my to-do list here because we actually have a lot to do. By the way, I love this Lawless so much. To start my day, this is the Fleur Vanilla Skin. Yes, we all know her, but you know what, I've been wearing the Kayali a lot too, but I think it's because I've been having a lot of like girly things, like I'm going to like brunch with my girls, I'm going out with my girls, so I've been wearing this a lot. I love this so much. It is vanilla as well, but it's just, it's more like elevated. Like the Vanilla Skin's like everyday, this is more like perfumey, like going out. I think I'm going to first stop at Starbucks because girl, I need a little chai in my life. By the way, if you guys like are a YouTuber or a content creator in general, how the hell do y'all do it? I've been doing a challenge recently, trying to film my short challenge every day, like daily vlogging on my short, and then also trying to do like an actual video. It was kind of complicated. I was like, who's getting what? I feel like I have two children and it's like, who's getting the candy? You know what I mean? I got all ready. I actually had Pilates tonight, so I didn't want to put like too much makeup, so I just did my mascara and I put a little bit of brow gel in because God bless my mother, because she actually tinted my brows and they look so good. They were literally non-existent. I just did a little bit of skincare, made my skin look a little bit glowy, and we are on our way. So let's go to Starbucks. Could I get a grande iced chai latte with sweet cream cold foam, bacon style turkey, cheddar, and egg white sandwich? Thank you. Dude, that was so quick. Usually there's such a long ass line. Also, you guys, you'll notice that I'm trying to make healthier choices. Usually I would get my sausage and egg, cheddar, blah, 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 because girl, that tastes so freaking good. I am trying to lose a little bit of weight. I want to be healthy. I want to lose a little bit of weight. Yeah, that's just the vibes right now. Usually I would pick one that was like 400 calories, and honestly, you wouldn't think it's that bad. But then mixed with the iced chai boo, tends to get a little up there with the calories. So I did want to get a grande, so I did get the less calorie sandwich, which I do love though, regardless. Now we're about to just head into Winners because I do want to get a vase. My boyfriend is so sweet and got me some flowers the other day, and I have no vase. As I feel like my boyfriend always gets me flowers, and I'm like, why don't I have my own vase by now? So let's go into Winners and look around, see if they have any goodies. I cannot wait to eat, and I haven't even drinking my chai, okay, because I want to be situated. We're gonna go study after this, and we're gonna go somewhere where there's like water and just like a good environment. So that's when I want to start to eat and all that stuff. So let's head into Winners and see what they got. This is the vase I went with. Is she not cute or what? Okay, and she was on sale. It was $13. I honestly just wanted to grab a random vase, but I feel like she's so spring and elegant. I actually kind of really like her. Now my boyfriend got me roses, so I don't know how cute that's gonna look in the vase, but I also thought maybe I could use it in like my sit down videos because I'm really trying to like revamp my background. Okay, we are here, you guys, but it's giving fog because it's so rainy out. Let me show you. Also ignore that big scratch on my windshield, but like it's straight foggy. If you guys didn't know, I'm a nurse and I'm gonna take a foot care course in September, but we have like pre-assignments that we have to do. So I actually finished like all three, but now I'm just revising it, make sure all my answers are correct, and then I'm gonna send them. Hopefully I can send at least one today. Let's have a little snacky poo and start studying because I also have to film for my YouTube short. So this feels so weird, but I also feel like such a YouTuber. Okay, shit, that scared the hell out of me. That really scared me. Okay, so iced chai tea, grande as always. God, why is that so good? Then we have this. She's giving mediocre. So the thing about these is that I like them. I don't know if everyone would, but I like this because this just tastes like a homemade egg sandwich. I always have these English muffins, the whole wheat ones. I always have like an egg and a little bit of turkey bacon on it, so like I like the taste because this literally tastes like I made it at home. I wish there was a little bit more stuff in it because I love when it's like egg to bread ratio is like good. She's my healthy choice of the day. So let's start studying because we actually have a lot to do. I love coming here because It's so damn peaceful, and I just study and actually focus, where when I'm at home, I'm like, maybe I'll just put a show on. You know what I mean? So let's get to work. We're doing really good with our to-do list already. We got Starbucks, we got gas, we got a vase, and now we're studying. I'm very proud of myself. So let's get to it. I'm just a yapper. Should I start a podcast? Like, literally. Okay, who is this walking behind us? I think she's locked. Okay, anyways, I also learned to eat my food slowly because I love to eat. And I eat quickly because I'm starving. And also, I don't eat till later. Like, this is my first meal and it is currently like 11:50. You know what I mean? So I try and eat a little bit slower. Okay, let's get into studying because we gotta learn some shit. You guys, I literally feel so productive today. I finished all 3 of my assignments. I'm actually gonna probably go home and submit those, but I just realized I actually have to go pick up my birth control at the superstore, and I didn't realize my like phone is literally dead. So I might go home, drop off some things, and then we'll head to the grocery store because my pharmacy is actually in the grocery store. And we'll get some food so that I can meal prep for this weekend because I work all weekend, and then also we can figure out something to eat tonight. I really want to make me and my man some like steak and like a Caesar salad vibe. Like, I feel like that would be really, really good. Thanks for studying with me, you guys. Like, I really feel so good. I'm so proud of myself. And honestly, I was so focused, I barely drank my chai. So I'm like, let's not go to waste, baby. What are we at for my steps? We're only at 2,000 steps today, you guys, and we have 8,000 to go. I'm trying to think, maybe I'll have time before my workout class to walk on my walking pad for an hour and try and hit those steps. Anyways, I'm getting too ahead of myself. Let's go home and drop off our stuff so we can go meal prepping and also pick up my prescription. Before I go on my walking pad to hit my 10,000 steps, by the way, I'm at like 3,400, so I'm gonna walk on my walking pad till I hit my 10,000. I'm gonna show you guys my little grocery haul though. I got some carrots. I love these carrots. I chop them up. I have them for dinner. Sometimes I put them in my lunch for a snack. She's a slay. This better be focused because we're having problems with this camera. Next, I really wanted to get a Caesar salad dressing, okay? Because I really want to make like a chicken Caesar wrap for my meals. I got this Skinny Girl Caesar. I've been looking for a good Caesar dressing, and this is kind of the only one that I found that I was like, okay, maybe she could be good. I looked at reviews on TikTok. They did say that this was good. Apparently this is Bethany Frankel's. I got some Alani Nu energy drinks because I do love a good energy drink when I go to work. I got the peach Alani. I also got the cherry twist Alani. I've never tried this one. And then I also got the dream float. Okay, apparently this one's new. I think it's supposed to be like a creamsicle, orange-sicle vibe. So I'm excited to try this one out. I got a whole ass chicken. This is the barbecue one, but there is like a spicier one as well. This one doesn't even taste like barbecue. It literally just tastes like a chicken. So I got this one because I'm gonna make some chicken Caesar wraps, and that is gonna be so good with it. Next, I got some like yellow tomatoes. Yellow potatoes, because I might make like a little bit of like a mashed potato vibe tonight, but I really don't know. Okay, now for the big bag. I got myself some bagels. I haven't really decided what I want to make for breakfast, but she's easy and simple. Throw her in a lunch, she's good to go. Then I also got 2 bananas for like a fruit. I got these. This is like new. I have not seen these before. It's called Too Good. It's by the brand Danone. How do you pronounce this, girl? Danone? I don't know. But it has 2 grams of sugar and 8 grams of protein. 60 calories for one. I'll put some little granola, cute little dessert, cute little snack. Then I got a pepper. I got 2 steaks for me and my boyfriend tonight because I think we're gonna have like a Caesar salad. We're gonna have some veggies, we're gonna have some steak. I feel like that'd be really good tonight. Some more meat that I got. Yes, I'm not a vegetarian. So we have lean ground beef. And apparently there's 19 grams of protein, so we love her. I was also looking for chicken sausage, but they didn't have any at Superstore, so I got the turkey ones. and it looks really good. Like one sausage is 140 calories, 13 grams of protein. So I decided to get this and maybe have like maybe some eggs and a little turkey sausage for like breakfast, like something like that, you know? I got some blueberries for another fruit option. Got my 2 cucumbers because I love cucumbers. I could eat them literally for every single meal. And then I got some lettuce to make my Caesar wrap for tomorrow and my Caesar salad for tonight. I'm gonna put this all away and we're gonna go on our walking pad because your girl, she needs to hit that 10,000 steps, and like Pilates, you don't do a lot of stepping, you know? I just finished my walk. I did just like an hour. I didn't necessarily want to like completely hit my 10,000. So I did an hour and we're at 9,600. I'm sure I'll hit 400 steps, okay, before the end of the day. But it is currently like 4:25 and we are gonna head to Pilates soon. I'm gonna try and film, but it actually says no phones allowed, so I'm gonna see how much I can do. I'm excited to go to Pilates. I love this class. This is literally just like a Pilates fusion class. Makes me feel good, makes my core feel tight, and I love it. So I'm gonna head there shortly. So next time you guys see me, we're gonna head to Pilates. Okay, you guys, I just got out of the shower. I literally feel so good. Like after, okay, you guys have no idea how happy I am. My like night routine before I go back to work, it is so good. Quickly do my skincare and my hair care before I start cooking. My boyfriend usually gets off work around like 7:30 and it's 7 o'clock. It's actually like perfect timing because then I can make supper at the same time that I make my meal prep, and then the cooking's done for the night. My hair feels so good. I've been using the L'Oreal like Dream Lengths mask and it literally makes my hair feel so good. And then I also use this Pureology like leave-in conditioner slash detangler. This one, girl, it is sent from the gods, I'm not kidding. My stomach is like grumbling because I honestly didn't eat much today. So I'm like, girl, that's not good. Eat your food, eat your food. I'm actually all out of my Rhode milk stuff. So this is by Pharmacy. This is the Honey Milk Hydrating Essence with chamomile. And I'm like, okay, chamomile makes you sleepy, right? So we're gonna put a little bit of her on the face. I actually don't think I've talked about this yet. I'm not gonna put it on now, but this stuff, girly pops. Get into it, okay? This is the Aromatherapy Lavender and Vanilla Cream by Bath & Body Works. I'm not kidding, it's for sleep. And yes, it is, mama. Most of the time, okay, let me just tell you, the first time I used this, I took a shower and I did like my everything shower and I was like, you know what, I have to go to bed shortly, so why don't we put the Sleepy Time cream on and we'll be good. I take a melatonin every single night, a 10 milligram melatonin. I'm telling you, I put this on and I was like laying in bed and I was like, oh, I'm a little sleepy. Like maybe I won't take my melatonin. Out like a light. Out like a light, slept my 8 hours, woke up. Actually, yeah, I did sleep for 8 hours. So don't put it on unless you're gonna sleep. And like right now, I'm not going to sleep. So I think like right before I go to bed, I'm probably gonna take this, just put it on my chest, maybe my arms, to kind of get the aromatherapy going. Okay, you guys, I am new to the retinol game, okay? I'm 25 years old, turning 26 at the end of the month, and I needed a retinol. I saw on TikTok that a lot of people recommended retinol serum B3. Oh my god, I don't know why that was hard for me to say. But I've been mixing it in with my cream, my Cisapair cream by Dr. Jur. I really, really like this. It's really thick and I just feel like my skin is hydrated for the night. I'm actually like almost out. It's like sad. I don't use this every night. I was told to start off slow and that's what I do. I think I do it every other night if I remember, but I never do it like every single night for sure. And I literally just like mix it in. And I actually really like this. I think I used it like 2 or 3 times and I went to work and people were like, your skin looks so good. Put it on at night. In the morning somebody was like, your skin looks so like glowy and youthful, and I was like, it's the retinol. I need to go upstairs and make some food because my stomach is growling. The skincare is done, hair care done, check check. So let's go upstairs and do some meal prepping. I'm probably just gonna do like a voiceover or do a little music vibe because my parents are upstairs and I don't want to like, you know, talk while they're trying to watch TV, relax after a busy day. So let's go upstairs to make some food. Okay, besties, I'm starting to get exhausted. That supper was so good, but you know what I learned? You know what I'm doing better at? That when I'm full, I'm done eating. So I actually didn't finish everything on my plate and I just wrapped it up and put it in the fridge. I'm literally full, and the old me would have went back for second potatoes and I didn't, because honestly they were so good. This is the end of my vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been so much fun being productive with you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and there will be a lot of birthday vlogs coming up because my birthday's at the end of the month, and then a lot of summer vlogs. So stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoy, and also stay tuned for my challenge I've been doing every day because I do want to get in my like fit girl era. Love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.